to be prayed in the morning, Goddess Mother Saraswati. Dear students, good morning. Most welcome to YouTube channel ML Kaushik. Today I am taking the reported speech. I have taken in my previous videos assertive sentences, interrogative sentences, imperative sentences. Today I am taking your exclamatory sentence. In exclamatory sentences, there is the message of the subject in the reporting verb part, and the particular subject is expressed through the reported speech. If our reported speech is started with alas, hurrah, oh, and bravo, then we must understand that the sentence is exclamatory. Exclamatory sentences are connected with that. I am taking your examples with the expression of these words we may know, and what will be our reporting verb, that is also to be known. If there is alas, it is sudden expression of sorrowful feelings. If there is hurrah, it is sudden expression of joyful feelings. If there is what, W-H-A-T, what, it is sudden expression of surprise. If there is bravo, it means there is surprise and to convey appreciation to the particular person. Let's take our sentences one by one. First sentence, he said, alas, I have lost my pen. He exclaimed with sorrow that he had lost his pen. We have to change the tenses. In my next videos, I will take how to change persons and how to change some particular words. Here, second sentence, if there is hurrah. The captain said, hurrah, we have won the match. The captain exclaimed with joy that they had won the match. If there is surprise, he said, what a beautiful flower. He exclaimed with surprise that the flower was very beautiful. Actually, the meaning of what will be in very. Next sentence, the captain said, bravo, well done. The captain applauded, saying that he had done well. Like these are four sentences. In first one, there is joy. Second, there is sorrow. In third, there is surprise. And in fourth, there is appreciation. Dear students, I think you have understood exclamatory sentences. And in my next video, I will take your how to change persons, how to change some particular words. Thank you very much.